Yeah,
Use the light.
she's been sarcastic actually.
So,
I
so
don't
they
really
can see
need
me.
the light.
They see me. Yeah, it's better.
No, it's worse, babe. I should switch
It's
that.
better. Oh, it's light.
Yeah.
So here's the entrance way.
This is the rates to enter. You want to enter? Now, you may be wondering why it's dark. I'm wondering as well. We should have set off at 4 o'clock. We actually set off at 8:10, 8:15, something like that. Why are you here and your sister's not here?
Because Bonina, I have a pageant tomorrow.
Oh.
7.
So she's going to Ralph to do the blast, but when she saw me, she shut off. Am I an ogre? So this is the favourite Pasacao beach. Now guys, I'm not being funny when I say this isn't one of my favourite beaches, because the sand is, as you can see, it's not white sand, it's like, well, it depends on what beach you go on. Some beaches are lighter than others. The first beach I went to was totally black volcanic sand.
Looks like she drank.
Oh, I'm not surprised. Yeah, so as usual, what normally happens is the guys get together and the girls get together.
Here's the birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isa. Happy birthday to you. Oh, egg. We need an egg. That's her husband, Oben. There's the beautiful April. Hello.
You know her? Remember her?
No.
Oben's sister.
Was that Oben's sister? Hello, Oben's sister. So who's drunk and who's not drunk?
Oben, ready.
Oben, are you ready? Are you going to be sick today? No?
Soon.
I hope not.
Later, a few moments later. It's gonna later.
So guys, how much is it to pitch a tent? You're going to pay
50 pesos.
You're going to pay to pitch a tent. And sarcastically I said, how much is it to sit down? But I mean, bless him, it's not a lot of money, guys. It's not a lot of money. And the water, it's been so hot that the water is really lovely and warm, isn't it, babe?
Yeah. How's the place? Did you like?
Yeah, it's different, but it's night time and it's lit up like a Christmas tree, so there's a few spaces, but we've passed one or two other resorts. Hello. We've passed a few other resorts, and apart from one that looked really a lot busier than this, they're quite empty. So this must be one of the favourite places to be. So where's the guys then? Oh, they're over there. See? I'll show you. In the Philippines, the girls sit together and the guys sit together. Normally, not always. Like if there's no space, obviously the girls will sit with the guys.
There, but I don't know some of them. I don't know.
Who's there? There's some more over there.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah,
Drinking
we'll go to where your dad is. You watch him look in any direction other than the camera. You watch. It's terrible. When a dad sees me walking towards him, he walks the other way. No, he doesn't. I'm only joking. So there's the beautiful Melissa. There's my handsome dad. Pa, sorry. There's my beautiful Ma.
And very cute, Ralph.
There's very cute, my best friend in all the world, Ralph. And I don't know this young lady.
It's my uncle's wife.
That's your uncle? But she's female. Oh, his wife. Oh, hello, uncle's wife. And that's Isa's mother. Hello.
Let's go there.
So we're near the sea. The sea's just there. very close to the tents.
Park on the tent, ay on the cottage. Next to ano.
Very far on the cottage for what? The sea?
So look the kids there.
It's not that far.
Oh, they
And it's
waving.
compared to White Pebble, it's soft. You can walk on this.
They waving to you.
Who's waving to me?
Drinking.
Buku. Is it buku? Sounds like buku juice. Hey! Are we drunk? Yeah, cool. Not yet. No, thank you, not yet. See straight away, guys. Do you want a shot? By the way, guys, I've been having loads and loads of trouble with the videos. We've lost so many videos with no audio.
My mom's brother.
Your mum's brother. Introduce me to your mum's brother.
You know him.
Do I? No. I'm very shy.
Hey, sup?
Hey.
Right. Lots of bustle.
Oh my God. Just help me, guys. Joke, man.
Happy birthday. It's birthday yesterday.
Oh, there's a lot more.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
What?
It's birthday yesterday. They celebrate now.
Belated happy birthday, my friend.
Thank you.
This your uncle.
Friends.
So, are we all happy? Good. Good. What do you, how do you rate the resort? Good?
Yeah.
You like the resort?
Yeah.
See, it's very unusual for somebody to speak English.
One shot. One shot, Chris. Don't be shy.
No one. Go on then, one shot lang.
One shot lang.
No pulutan.
Pulutan is
Just a little.
pork in a
Side dish.
Thank you very much.
It's
We have some grilled pork here.
It's Alfonso. You know, guys,
You can try it.
if a Filipino asking you to drink, you should forgive them because it's a rude if you
Yes,
right?
you could easily offend if you don't do it.
Just only once, right?
And always take a small piece, not a big
It's a
one.
pulutan.
tawa ni tawa.
You can dip it here.
Yummy.
It's good that you have a light. It's very light.
No, churros. Yeah, churros.
Calm down.
Trust me to pick a bone, guys. I want to pick a bone with you.
It's good. I hope the video is good and the audio.
I hope you liked the fishing video. It didn't turn out as good as I thought it would do because I missed the end bit off.
Yeah.
And we went and we had more fish and we had a drink and I got pretty
Lang.
drunk. But what can I say? Welcome to the Philippines. Don't come, guys. I recommend you don't come to the Philippines. It's not good. Right? We don't want loads of foreigners here. So don't come.
You can try something deep beer.
No, it's all gone. Just bone. Have you got rubbish?
You can try.
Just put on the. You just put here on the floor. Then put aside.
No, I don't want to put it on the
No
floor.
rubbish here.
Try it on the floor.
Just put on the.
No basura?
No, sir, it's okay. You can put it here. Just put it here. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, sorry.
Later they will eat the bone.
They'll eat the bone? Oh.
Thank you po.
Thank you. So will you be swimming, Mal? Mal? Oh God, you see, she's just walking away from the guys. This is what she does.
Yeah.
I'm taking a video and she's not paying attention.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you, babe, you're walking away.
No, kung talking to me, he said, are you going home?
Stop talking!
He asked me if we're going. I said, we just arrived.
We've just come. We just arrived. Padalon. I said, are you going swimming
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, La? Oh.
We
So we're here overnight, and tomorrow we're going swimming allegedly. I don't think I'll be going swimming.
So now we just drink.
I wasn't going swimming to the swimming pool, but Mel had a different idea. You brought some apple. No, seriously.
2 apples.
For yourself?
Me, of course.
You're going to drink it, you promise?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to show you the video of her drinking, because what normally happens, guys, right? She'll say, I'm going to drink tonight. Will you get me just 1 apple? I'll say no, because if I get you 1 apple, Mel, you're going to take 2 slips and say, you finish it. It's okay. I forgive you. That's what I get. So let's see if she actually drinks it.
Later, I'm gonna be drunk.
Hey guys, I would just love to see Mel drunk, and I wouldn't take advantage, I promise.
May pating na, may pating.
See,
Fried rice now.
first thing they do, guys, is they eat.
Yes.
So what you eating, Ralph?
It's what you call that fried fish and what you call this? Higado.
It's called what?
Higado. Higado with liver and meat. It's mixed
Oh, I like that. With meat.
with liver and with I don't know, maybe liver and
Very good. So we're frying. Oh, we're frying. What are we frying? Oh, is it pork chop? Look at that, guys. Pork chop. It's delicious. So look, guys, when the family comes out, there's never a shortage of food, right? Because when the food runs out and when the drink runs out, everybody wants to go home. Obviously. That's what they come for. If there's a party, Filipinos come, they eat the food, they'll take home a doggy bag and they'll go. Now, in the West, I don't know where you live, but we would think that's quite rude, but it's the norm here, that's what they do.
Chris,
But,
let's eat.
you like your rice?
Yeah.
Oh. Look, she's made that for me, look. And my fried rice, wherever she's put it. Is that Bicol Express? Yeah, see, she made that for me because I like Bicol Express. Well, the night is going very well, guys. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's getting late. Everybody's excited. The alcohol is flowing well. There's loads of alcohol. I don't think they're going to drink it all. Oh, they might drink it all. But this is going to go on all night. And we're on our own little table with Melissa. And my beautiful baby.
And my cutest
And
best friend.
the most handsomest guyest in the world is.
If you have in your place, they have a beach.
They have a bitch? Do they have a bitch in your place, guys?
Yeah, do they have? Do you have?
Do you have
We have lots of bitches, don't we, babe?
no like this?
Beach like this.
I know you're saying beach. I'm trying to be funny and it's not working.
They do it. You have beach.
So Mel's, look at this. Melissa, that's her drink. Look at Mel's drink. She hasn't even touched it. I guarantee you guys, she will not drink all of that.
She will drink that. Now she's changed.
Yeah, but she said, I bought 2 for me and 2 for Melissa. Right, let's see if they drink.
I just buy 2 now.
Don't speak with your mouth full, babe. It's rude.
I just buy 2.
You just buy what? Oh, 2. That's right. Well, I thought you went the other way.
Tama yan, lumugin yan.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Sa andito na face dark ay they are all drunk na guys, so.
Sinasabi din. Pag dumating niya, maligaling na ulit.
Maligalig lang.
Nag-iinom si Anpil.
Ay, pa. Paano nga ni? With me.
Ante, introduce yourself.
Ay, wag na.
My auntie is looking for a foreigner.
Gusto ko garap ka na ako.
Ante, Tagalog. Magtara pang Tagalog.
Tagalog. Gusto ko ganito, kalaki. Yung bitlog.
Itlog lang. Yung titi. Yung titi, maliit lang. Maliit lang.
Pero yung itlog, dapat mas malaki yung itlog. Dapat mas malaki.
Kasi pa kayo nag-vlog. Bumiyaro yan ako.
Itlog bastos, hindi naman bastos itlog. Dapat mas malaki itlog ang mas malaki.
Para focus mas ako nga kaya.
Birthday girl is drunk oh.
Hello. Kisay na siya. Abo ko mabita. Dali na ito. Gusto ko rin
Grabe dong. Orton dong hoy.
Nasatahimik.
Dito lang ka man ante.
Kita ko may ang kwarta na yung tao.
Pigano ka. Sabi na, sa trip ka man.
Tamay lang yung tigpapatanin ka lang.
Naginom ka pa?
Tubig pa rin.
My dad is not drinking. So, dito kami guys sa Pichilitos. It's very nice here. You can come here. Nakaka-relax dito guys. First time namin pumunta dito. Maybe we will come back soon. When Skelly birthday. I don't know them. They waving on the camera. Lasing na si Chris. Lasing. Are you lasing?
Am I what?
Lasing.
What?
Lasing.
No, she's not a big
Drunk.
Oh no. This is only my second one, and it's only San Meg. Now, if it was Red Horse, I'd probably go. No. That's very bright.
How's your day?
My days. Well, we've not really had a day, have we? It's not really been a day. It's been like an evening.
Few hours.
So far. And then we'll wake up tomorrow, there'll be no food, there'll be no booze, and
No,
everybody will go
my
home.
auntie will cook pancit
Oh wow!
for breakfast.
Pancit for breakfast, guys. Yummy!
I will video when my auntie is cooking.
Oh, that's lovely.
I love cooking.
How about Melissa?
I don't know how to cook.
She love eating.
I just love eating.
I love also eating.
Fresh.
Cooking.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, George Andrews, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Daz, Robert Cole, Michael McFarland, Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Wolfen4966, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.